Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have a table and you want conditional outputs. Begin by selecting the cell where results appear. Make sure your source column contains consistent types so comparisons work. Type equals if, then point to the cell you want to test, add a logical operator such as equals, or, and write the value to return if true. Once you enter the comma, decide what to show for false. Keep that simple to validate quickly. Once you master a basic IF, layer complexity by using and/or inside it so you can test multiple criteria at once. For example, equals if and A250 B2 equals yes, pass, fail lets you require two conditions. If you need more than two outputs, nest IFs, but make sure to keep the order logical and readable. Use parentheses deliberately to control which tests run first. This prevents unexpected. Now copy the formula down the column and confirm references behaved as intended. Switch to $1 if a value must stay static. Test edge cases, zeros, blanks, and boundary values to ensure outcomes match expectations. If you see errors like #div/0 or #and/a, wrap the expression with iferer to show a friendly message. If results still look wrong, step through parts of the logic with temporary helper columns so you can isolate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.